Hello all for hunters, all for shooters. During the range test we talked about the cleaning of the gun. We want to quickly show you in practice how that works. So in the gun there is copper or bullet residue, and there is residue from the powder. And the powder is on top of it, so we need to clean that first. So we take something which works as a system. In that case we used Hopper's Black. They have a gun cleaner, a copper cleaner and an oil. So it's a complete system. And the advantage is if I get it from one manufacturer, I know it works together. You know, all the chemicals work together. So the first thing that I do, I run a few patches soaked with a gun cleaner through the barrel. Then a few dry ones to get that out. Then I use the copper cleaner, patch first, or I can accelerate the process and make it deeper, and I soak bronze brush in the copper cleaner and run the bronze brush through the barrel several times back and forth. Let it sit and saturate for 20-30 minutes. And then I use some soaked patches and then some dry patches again. At the very end, I run a patch with oil through the barrel to neutralize any residue that should be still in the barrel. And then a few dry patches again, and then I'm done with it. The whole process, without the waiting time, it's just a few minutes. So very easy. I usually do it on the range when I have several guns with me. So if one gun is cooling down, I can clean another one and shoot another one in between. So I have no downtime. I don't have unused waiting time on the range, so it's quite effective.